Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shakira Mustari. I'm a student of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Now I start to present my project presentation. First, I recommended my supervisor name. My supervisor name is Shakifa Akhtar. My project name is my project is totally web-based project, and my project name is Food Concerning Forum. Now, introduction and related work. Food Concerning Forum is a web-based project. This project is focused on healthy and unhealthy food and a BMI calculator which is using database. The system is related to Food Concerning Forum. As a result of my essays, this website to be able to know a lot of information, we have to learn a lot of things, and we have learned a lot of information to visit this website. We eat a lot of food regularly every day, but many of us do not know which food is good and which is not. By using this this website, we can easily know which food is good or which food is not good for our health. So this is informative website, I think, and this website help us a lot of things to know about food, and we know many types of food that is harm for our health, and we convert to a disease, and we do not know what is the food of this alternative, and this website help us to know the alternative foods. Objectives. There are many objectives of my project, such as it is used for check healthy and unhealthy food. We can also check our BMI. We can find out what disease by eating unhealthy food, and what alternative food can be eaten. So I think that is very much effective website that help us to all. And methodology. I follow four procedures to develop my project, such as requirements, design, implementation, and verification. Requirements. The main requirements of the project is to maintain information about the healthy and unhealthy food. That is, I say, many other people do not know about food. They do not know which food is good or which food is good for our specifically eye, or specifically kidney, or specifically heart, or specifically our brain, memory, etc. So if we visit this website, we can know about this all information. And we do not know, sometimes we eat food that is unhealthy, and we towards to a major disease. But if we serious, but if we concern about it, if we learn about it, then we can easily find out, and we easily choose alternative food also. And the most important is BMI calculator. That is the important, and we check our BMI, that is overweighted or underweighted or normal. And the design. This is the project flowchart of my project, that any user can log in fast. That is, if a valid user, then he or she access healthy and unhealthy food list, and also check BMI, and see all of this. Implementation. This is the home page of my project. There's three menu: home, login, and about. This is the about page of my project. Then I written some topic about food, some topic about my website, some topic that is help a visitor to know about my website. And that is the login page. Login page, where two part: create your account, and the second part is already registered. Create your account. First we create a account, that is the name and the password. Then create our account. Then if we create, then we login first, the same name and same password. Then we if we same information, then we visit this website, and that is the healthy food menu, where good health, hair, brain and memory, healthy skin, blood flow and circulation, healthy eyes, healthy kidneys, healthy liver, control diabetics, acid reflux, lower blood pressure, and so on. And this is the unhealthy food menu, where agave nature, low fat yogurt, gluten free junk food, low carb junk food, ice cream, candy bar, processed meat, french fry and potato chips, pastries, cookies and cakes, fried, grilled or boiled food, sweetened breakfast, fruit juice, most fruit juice, white bread, pizza, sugary drink, and so on. First, the food, that is the page which that is the food that is good for our health. Many kinds of food that is good for our health, such as egg, meat, fruits and berries, nuts, vegetable, especially good for our health. Then here the read more. If we read more button, then we read a lot of thing and know a lot of thing about this food, that is how can help our help our health. And that is the page of brain, good for our brain and memory, where such as coffee, turmeric, fatty fish, broccoli, dark chocolate, orange, that is very good for our brain and also memory. And same we can, if we click the read more button, then we know about all of information about this food, how can it's help our brain and memory. And this is the hair, good for, this is the food that is good page, and that is good for our hair. We know a lot of food that is help to our hair, and such as berries, sweet potato, nuts, eggs, sweet pepper, avocados, etc. Then the same thing about this page, if we click the read more button, then we know a lot of thing about this food, or this information. And that is the healthy, that is the page, that is food for healthy kidney. And here we know many of food that is help to our kidney, that cauliflower, blueberry, cabbage, egg white, olive oil, red grapes, that is our that all food are health, good for our kidney. That is a page of food for healthy liver. If we eat coffee, oily fish, avocado, olive oil, walnut, then we can, that is all good for our liver. Mm, and that is the page of food for increased blood flow and circulation. And we know the many foods, that is citrus fruits, pomegranate, green pepper, onion, garlic, that is good for our increased blood flow and circulation. And then the food for healthy eyes. And we know eye is very important, so which food is good for eye, and then if we visit this website, we can know, then egg, almond, fish, dairy, onion, carrot, calf, that is good for our eye. And that is the page for food for acid reflux. We know we are affected many times for acid reflux, so to fix it, we can eat a good food, that is garlic, vegetable, oil milk, fruits, white egg, that is for good for our acid reflux page. And that is the food for lower blood pressure, lower blood pressure page. And that is we know lower blood pressure page, and that we know many other food that is good for our lower blood pressure, like green leaf berries, red berries, white egg, yogurt, etc. And that is the page of control diabetic. We know we are affected, so many people are affected for diabetic, and if we visit this page, that is the informative website page, and we know a lot of thing about many information, then now how can we control our diabetic? Then we eat fatty fish, leaf green, nut, egg, etc. So now unhealthy food. Unhealthy food. There are so many unhealthy food that hamper to our health, like adventure, ice cream, fried rice, fried anything that is cake, cookies, and fruit juice, and many fruits. Uh, Avanature, that is very harmful to our health, and many disease we can, liver disease, like liver disease, and alternative foods also. No, if we visit this website, like hysteria. And the unhealthy food, and another unhealthy food is candy bar, that is also very harmful to our health, and many other diseases to eat this food, and like diabetic, coronary heart, hypertension, etc. And alternative food we can also eat, like dark chocolate, and that is the unhealthy food. Another unhealthy food is pizza. This is a very popular food, but we know this is so harmful for our health, contain possible cancer. That is very important. And if we eat alternative food, then we use homemade pizza and healthy ingredients also. And the fried, garlic, or boiled food, that is also very harmful to our health. And I again say that many information and many food that is harm to our health, and no, if we visit this website, and if we clearly know that this food how much harmful, and which disease, and alternative foods what we eat. And that is a processed meat, that is also a important unhealthy food that is hamper to our health. So alternative food, and this food, if we eat this food, then we can hamper cancer, early death, and etc. So alternatives we can use pepper, and etc. Low fat yogurt, that is very unhealthy food, and we use alternatives is normal yogurt, or plain yogurt. And the another is free junk food. Free junk food is another unhealthy food that is damage our many diseases, such as NGGS, ADHD. So alternative food we can use carrot ice cream, that is many popular we know, but this is very much harmful to our health. So we can use, if we eat ice cream alternative, then we use homemade ice cream, or use fresh fruits and less sugar. And the fresh fries and potato chips, that is also important. And alternatives we can use carrot. And the last of my website is BMI calculator, that is very important. And we know BMI means body mass index, and we calculate it in two types, that's the immaterial and then metric. Immaterial, if we metric, then we weight in lb, and height, foot, and inch. But we metric, then weight in kg, and height in centimeter. Then the calculator show us if we are overweighted, or underweighted, or normal. So that is very important. Then limitation, the main limitation of my website is no comment box, that means no discussion forum, and the searching method. Conclusion: by developing this project I gather knowledge about a web-based project to enhance its environment I have implemented. I hope this knowledge will help me in future work. Thank you.